Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Tundra 4x4 CrewMax SR5 Plus with the TRD PRO Package. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck in super white, and under the hood you find the 5.7 liter V8 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features you'll find on this Tundra includes this aggressive black grille as well as an aggressive hood scoop. We also got parking sensors on the front and rear, a trailer hitch, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to open up the front first. And before we look inside, just to show you on the side view mirror, you do have a blind spot monitoring system and heated mirrors with this Tacoma. Taking a look on the top, you have your power windows and locks. On the bottom, we have some storage space. Next to the door here, you have your power adjustable side mirrors as well as your different lighting options. And this Tundra does come equipped with all-weather mats and black leather seating. You can see in the seats here, you do have TRD PRO stitched in the center. We also have red stitching on the seats as well. And on the bottom, we have power seating adjustment buttons. To start it up, we got our key fob here. And we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Here you have these arrows to help you cycle through any audio that's playing, and you also have your volume buttons. On the left side, you also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right side, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display. Down below that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. And you have your cruise control speed settings right behind the wheel there. Moving on to our screen, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it'll display any audio and any device that's connected. On the right side, you got your navigation map that you can also press, and that will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we go into audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera as well. Moving down below that is your climate control system. You got these nice smooth turning dials, and of course next to that you have your drivetrain selector. If we move just underneath, we have some storage space, and this is where you'll find your two 12-volt outlets, your USB and auxiliary, and your driver and passenger heated seats. If we take a look at the shifter, you can see you have this TRD badging on it. You have two cup holders right next to the shifter there, and this huge center console that provides plenty of cargo space. Also features a 12-volt outlet, and on top of the center console you also have your TRD PRO badging as well. Taking a look inside the back here, you can see we have some storage on the bottom just like the driver's side door, and of course we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the black leather seating with the TRD PRO stitching. In the center here, we can pull this down, giving you access to two cup holders and a little armrest. And the bottom half of these seats do fold up. All we got to do is just pull this button, and those click into place, giving you plenty of storage space in the back. Starting on the bottom, there are those parking sensors on the bumper like we mentioned. Of course, there is your trailer hitch. Behind, you will find your spare tire. To open up, all we got to do is just give this a gentle pull, and that'll drop down for us nice and easy. And you can see the back of this Tundra provides plenty of cargo space, and of course it does come equipped with this nice clean black bed liner as well. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tundra, once again some of those great interior features includes your black leather seats with the TRD PRO stitching. We also got driver and passenger heated seats, navigation, and a power sunroof. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test ride. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.